Kubadeh, a type of Middle Eastern kebab, is made with ground beef formed into cylinders and fried over skewers. Give your beef at least 20% fat. Combine the ingredients well to create the myosin in the flesh. Make use of a food processor or hand mixer to keep the fat from melting. Use caution when handling the meat, and moisten your hands with cold water. The kebabs should be refrigerated for at least 2 hours before being cooked. Knead the meat and remaining ingredients to produce a sticky paste that sticks to the skewer for up to 10 minutes. Kubadeh kebabs are usually cooked over an open flame without a grill grate to prevent the meat from sticking.
Where the sun shines bright, there's an orange orchard, a pure golden sight. Rows of trees basking in the morning glow, filled with citrus treasures, ready to bestow.
One of the best meats for making Kubadeh kebab is sirloin. Sirloin is quite tender from top to tip, lean, and moderately priced. It does not require an extended marinade. It is also appropriate for a diet that is balanced. For beef kebabs, flat iron steak and tenderloin make great substitutes. Serve with lemon wedges, cooked basmati rice, tzatziki sauce, toum, and onion relish.
torraban la tierra con su ritmo añejo. La música fluye como río en cada verso y estrofa. El alma se expresa con fuerza en cada nota. Cuerpo y alma en la...
Welcome to Afsan Farm Media Production, an oasis of tranquility nestled in the heart of California. Our farm is not just a production center. It's a sanctuary where we craft healthy and easy-to-cook meals using the freshest natural ingredients from our farm kitchen. Our mission is simple but powerful: to bring peace of mind to individuals weary of the demands of bustling city life.
Celestial, guitarra y pasión se entrelazan en un baile sin igual. El cante llena el aire con su voz desgarradora, flamenco en cada